Hey, ever tried to add something to a Python dictionary and got an error because the key didn't exist? Let me show you a smarter way. Defaultdict. It's like a normal dictionary, but kinder. Defaultdict is just a dictionary that creates default values for missing keys automatically. So you don't have to write if-else condition or check if a key exists. It's like a fridge that always has milk when you open it, even if you didn't buy any. Let's see a real-life example. Let's say you're giving points to players in a game. So, first we must import Defaultdict class from Python's collections module. Think of collections as a toolbox, and Defaultdict is one of the special tools inside it. That's how you create a new default dictionary. Here we gave it a name as scores. So we create a new dictionary named scores, but with a twist. Remember, a dictionary is a list of key value pairs. So here, if you try to access a key that doesn't exist, it automatically gives it a value of 0 because of int. Int returns 0. Let me just show you. I'll comment everything and let's print int function. And you see, it prints 0. So since int returns 0, any missing key will default to 0. It's like saying, if a player's score isn't there yet, assume it's 0. Now, this adds 10 points to Alice's score. What happens behind the scenes? Key name Alice didn't exist before. But since it's a default dict and the type is int, Python says, okay, Alice's current score must be 0. Let's add 10 to that. So now, the key Alice has value 10. Here comes the use of Defaultdict. With a normal dictionary, you'd have to write an if-else condition. If Alice is in scores, then add 10 to the value of Alice. Else, create and assign 10 as value to it. But Defaultdict removes all that extra code. Okay then, same logic for Bob. Bob didn't exist in the dictionary either, but Defaultdict says, no worries, he starts at 0. Then it adds 5 to it. So now, the key Bob has value 5. And finally, let's print the value of a key named Charlie. I want you to pause the video and comment below, what will it print? I believe you all got it right. It prints 0. We haven't added any points for Charlie, and we never touched his key before, but since it's a default dict, instead of giving an error, Python says, Charlie? Oh yeah, he's got 0 by default. So it just prints 0, no crash, no errors. Normal dictionary would have given you a key error. And that's the magic of Defaultdict. No more key errors, no more messy if-else checks, just clean and smart Python code. If you want your code to feel smarter, then give Defaultdict a try. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more Python tips, and drop a comment if you have questions or want another topic explained simply. See you in the next one, and remember, code smart, not hard.